me, Martijn, and I want to give you a quick update on my ADO A20F Plus and how it's been holding up over the last 6 weeks. So let's get started. In this video I will discuss the charging times, the range, the pedal assist and a brake and climb test. As it was too early in my other video, the unboxing and first impressions one, to discuss all of this. And in case you haven't seen it, you can check it out by clicking here in the top right corner. Now onto the first one, the range. ADO state on their website two types. One for the electrical range, which is less than 40 kilometers, and with the assisted range, they state less than 80 kilometers. Both are scores in an ideal scenario, but with my 80 kilograms, good bike roads and normal weather conditions, I managed to get in the full electric mode 28 to 30 kilometers, while with the pedal assist mode, I managed to get anywhere from 50 to 60 kilometers. This is of course without any major climbs, as we don't have any of those here in the Netherlands, but we do have many bridges. Before we get to that, the climb and brake test, let's quickly discuss the pedal assist mode. With the model A20F Plus, they also introduced a new PAS controller, and this means that the pedal assist is better. There are 3 different support levels while pedaling, while the 4th one is the full electric mode from the throttle. This is indeed much better than the previous generation. You can find it here in the top right corner. I've tested that one 5 months ago, but some things they remain the same. You just have to pedal a tiny bit along without any kind of force, and the motor will just turn on and it will assist you up to the assist level that you've set yourself. Now onto the brake and climb test. Unfortunately we don't have any hills or mountains over here, but we do have many bridges. And this one is actually quite steep. With a standing start right in front of the bridge, it's actually quite easy to get up to the top with the assisted mode, but in the full electric mode, it's not possible. It is possible though to get up to the bridge with the full electric mode if you arrive with full throttle with the maximum speed of 25 kilometers an hour. And as for the brake test, if you go full throttle with the maximum speed of 25 kilometers an hour, the braking distance is just 5 to 6 meters to come to a full stop, and therefore hydraulic brakes would have been a nice addition, especially if you unlock the speed limit of the bike. Third point to discuss is charging time, and ADO states on their website that it's 7 hours, and that is about true. And that's because mine is usually full after 6 hours and 15 minutes. And in case you do have the A20 or a regular A20F version, you can interchange the batteries. It is somewhat related to the battery, but mine rattles a little bit if I go over rough terrain. There are easy solutions to solve this issue. It's luckily not as bad as I've seen with some other people on YouTube. Just a little thing to keep in mind. There are a few more points that I would like to discuss, as I started to appreciate them over time a lot. This one, for example, is really small, but I do love this rubber sticker or pad to protect the paint job from the impact of the folding mechanism its lever. The second point is cable management. Everything looks super tidy, even at places where you don't often look at, or every single day, like underneath the main frame. And the last point is accessories. With many Chinese e-bikes, they just produce them, put them onto the market, and that's basically it. ADO takes a different approach, and on their website they listed a lot of accessories that you might need in case something breaks down. They have multiple pages with accessories from helmets to fenders to brake levers, and anything that you can basically imagine, it's listed over there. In case you want to check out the accessories or the bike, I've left a link in the video's description, so go check it out after watching this video. Even though it all sounds good, there are still a few things that I would love to see improved. For example, the sound coming from this bike, or the noise coming from this bike. It's a very noisy bike, mainly because of the fat tires. The second point is I will probably upgrade the saddle soon, because it's quite hard and uncomfortable at longer rides. Alright, that's it for the A20F Plus model that I've had over 6 weeks now. I hope you've learned something, and in case you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy or learn something, give it a thumbs up and subscribe in case you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see all of you in the next one.